Hey, fool, I heard you calling you out, man.
Yeah.
Oh, heck no!
I'm dirty.
Alright, let me clean that up.
Fool, you don't want none of this.
Alright, Tyler, let's show him up with that sprinkler. Bam, 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 bam.
Nick, let's make it rain.
The tango.
Well, I gotta walk my dog. Come on, come on, come on.
Well, yeah. Well, I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot. I'm a robot.
Alright guys, this was Riding Cowboy.
Alright. Well, this move's called lawn maintenance. Clip them headers. Clip, clip them headers.
That move down there made me piss my wranglers.
Alright, guys, best move ever. Called the cat carrier. Meow.
This one's called the Old Man.
The early bird special's over in 5 minutes.
What?
Alright, we're gonna bring it to the past. Yeah, piss.
Okay, this one's called the Dirty Hitchhiker.
Alright, man, this one calls the Hitler. Do it to the right, do it to the left, do it to the right, do your mom, do it to the right.
Alright, this is when we're invisible. Okay, do the salt shaker. Salt shaker. Chicken on the...
Alright, guys, this one here's called the deer hunt. Let me do my deer call.
Deer, come here. Deer, deer.
Sean.
Man, that was really good.
No.
I know how to get us out of this pickle. Your mom! Oh, shit.
You get back here now, you hear?